Hey guys, how's it going everyone? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here back. And to know what is in this year box, folks, what is it? What you're just looking at here is heck. I decided to open it because it'll be a solid bitch to open and hell with this, but hell. It's from Shell Factory under the label under it's Screen Factory. Screen Factory, ladies and gentlemen. Now, what the heck did I order? Because I didn't order any purchases. Let's see what we got. Come on. Let's open it. And open it up. Open it up. Let's see. It's King Kong, 1976. And this is the poster. And to give you the heads up, boys and girls, and ladies and germs of planet Earth, I ordered this 2 months ago when it was on pre-order at Screen Factory, and I got it for a good deal. I didn't get it for a good deal. Ooh, nanny. Ooh, doggy. Whoa, dudes. Whoa, I got it. I can't believe it. It's arrived. It's arrived. It's the King Kong Collector's Edition, 1976, starring Jeff Bridges, Jessica Lange, Charles Grodin, and you have some familiar faces, like the actor who played Teehee in Live and Let Die, Julius Harris. Yeah, who played the villain, and he was in the Taking Pelham 1, 2, 3. He plays one of the buddies in this movie. So yeah, so you have 2 discs scanned in 2K restorations from the original camera negatives. So yeah, there's 2 cuts of the film: extended broadcast television cut, and you have the theatrical cut. Additional TV footage, restored, and you have restored theatrical audio, radio spots, TV spots, and trailers and still galleries. Oh well, I was expecting the making of, how they pull this off, but doesn't appear they doesn't have much. Heck, let's take a look inside. And you got, yes, you have it. You guessed it, folks. It must be a little clear. Heck. That said, and it's still the same thing. I highly doubt this doesn't have any special features. Oh well, at least you have both cuts of the film. Heck, maybe I'll check in and maybe I'll do a little later on video about this movie. But I have the 1933 and this is the 1976. 45 years. 45, boys and girls. So I got this, and I'm keeping the Shell Factory paper. Maybe I'll wrap up somebody's Christmas present in there, or a friend's birthday present. And I got the poster, and doesn't even say it, but I know it's about 18 by 24 to be exact. So yeah, look at this. What more can you ask for, boys and girls? So yeah. Whew. I gotta get going before dinner comes. But anyways, this is a good addition to the collection, and I'll probably give my DVD to a buddy of mine who needs it, who doesn't know about this giant gorilla. Ooga ooga ooga. Oh, that's a caveman for ooga ooga ooga. Maybe that's a gorilla. And everyone knows how Jacob P. Spider Monkey laughs. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. I'll catch you all in the next vid.